Good day, I'm Richard John Sadena, together with my group mates.
Hi, I'm R. Jonathan Harvey H.
I'm Shainami Alexis T. De La Paz.
My name is Alvin Sar A. Serapion.
This is our final project website, which is Copy. We use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for this final project. The purpose of our final project, Copy website, is to create one-stop platform for copy lover to explore, learn about, and know what is copy products. It aims to educate users about different copy varieties and the culture of copy. As you can see here, this is our website. Ayan. Ito yung copy selection. Ito ang aming search bar. And then this are learn more. And makita nyo dyan ang learn more. This is our social media. And if you click join us, ayan, pupunta tayo dyan, log in. Then sign up. Ayan, ganun. And then this is our navbar. Kita nyo rin dyan yung learn more. Join us. And then this is our frequently asked questions, which is what is copy? What type of products offer? Yan, makikita nyo dyan. What makes copy special? Drinks customizable. Yan, how can you join to our Epaclux family? Pag click nyo yan, mapupunta yun dito sa iba niya pang flavor. Ayan. Ito yung aming about us. Ayan.
The concept of our website Epaclux. Firstly, let's start at the elements and the designs we see in our website Epaclux. We choose this concept or the flow and how it looks, including the main wallpaper, the menus, the create account section, and learn more, to make it not just look aesthetic and unique, but also to intentionally make it captivating to the eyes. Also, about our color schemes, we choose these color schemes to enhance the aesthetic look while also making it look warming and inviting. So in overall, these elements, which is the color theme, the flow, and look and feel, are well matched and works together to create an inviting and extraordinary experience on the Epaclux website.
A side navigation panel, also known as a sidebar, is a vertical menu that typically appears on the left or right side of the web page. It allows users to easily navigate through different sections of the website. This simple side navigation panel starts with a hidden state. When you click the button to open a sidebar, JavaScript changes its width, revealing the links. The sidebar can be closed by clicking its navigator.
Next, I will discuss the content strategy and how it caters to your target audience. So, our content strategy revolves around creating a welcoming and inspiring experience for our target audience, the copy lovers and community-focused individuals. The website highlights Epaclux story emphasizing connection, relaxation, and quality. We cater to the audience by showcasing our commitment to sustainability from ethical copy sourcing to eco-friendly practices. Each section of the site is tailored to build trust and engagement. For instance, the copy sourcing and sustainability section appeals to environmentally conscious consumers, while community and engagement resonate with people seeking meaningful connection. Additionally, our detailed menus and description highlight our unique offerings, showcasing our passion for expertly crafted beverage and quality pastries. This caters to coffee connoisseurs who value premier experiences.
A user experience refers to how easy, enjoyable, and effective it is for visitors to interact with the site. It focuses on making sure that users can find what they need, complete tasks smoothly, and have a positive responsiveness and a visually appealing layout, all of which help users feel comfortable and satisfied as they browse or make purchases.
That's all. Thank you.